This is my nose. This is my eyes. This is my ears. This is my tongue. These are my hands. These are my legs. Look how strong they are. They help me walk and run. This is my head. This is my teeth. This is my lips. These are my fingers. This is my foot. This is my hair.